and I'd like to invite you to join me in Artful Gathering 2016 Session 1 workshop, Slightly Mad, Making and Adorning Mini Top Hats. I'm going to be sharing some time-honored millinery techniques, as well as some quick and easy methods that require no sewing at all. I'll show you how to make some cool ribbon work medallions, as well as some gorgeous flowers. We'll play with feathers, and I'll show you a bunch of different ways to manipulate them for use in your work. So whether you're tempted to make a hat to wear, display, or costume your dolls, Slightly Mad has got you covered. So I hope you'll consider joining me, but don't be scared. We're only going slightly mad.